Yo, we are now out here. First, we are going to eat in the Chinese restaurant. We're going to eat a fried rice. Okay, we are now here.
Hello.
Good afternoon. I'll be having this Coke, a fried rice, and the spring roll. I needed to go out because I can't really focus on the things that I am doing in the house because I'm feeling hungry. Also, I feel like I need to go outside. I need to see things because I have been in the house the whole day yesterday and this morning, and it costs $19.50. Okay, that's it. I have been here for around 1 hour, just sitting and just watching the people. Oh, that's the owner of this restaurant. The guy in the umbrella. Yeah, that's him. He's the one who cooked my meal. I've shown to you before that they have all the vegetable in there. Yeah, planted in there. And also here, they have here. There is chili, green chili. There is coriander. Chili again. This one I don't know. Spring onion. What is this? Spring onion. It is now 4:59. I forgot what time I left the house. Oh, surprisingly, there are many people in here. Oh, yeah, they are tourists. Also many people on this side. They are fishing and yeah, just relaxing. We are just going to be biking around while singing along with the music. Patience, there's no word to say it in a separate world. Oh, look at that! There is a big caravan. Sorry. Oh, this jeep is looks really beautiful. Looks new too. Amazing. Look at that. This is how many people are here in the moment. I noticed that there are so many caravans, motorhomes in this area. So I ain't afraid to let it show. If you notice inside, yeah, there are many vacationers. Yeah, they are in camp and they are in the tent. They are in a big tent. They are in the car connected with the tent. Yeah, every weekend during summer, these days, most caravans will be full of those. Again, there are some sprinklers of this water, tiny bit. And this is how it is in the Shoal Bay at the moment. Yeah, there are many of that birds. And look at that mountain, it is covered with the clouds. There are some people, they are doing the paddle boarding. That lady, and there's one guy there. Yeah, and there are many people on that side. And we are now here in the Tomari Head. And I can see from here that there are many people in there. They are just walking. Yeah, we are now on our way back to Nelson Bay. Never gonna let you down. I'll always be around. I'll be there for you because I love you. Okay, I'm not sure about this, so we'll be just walking. Oh, it's all right. Oh, there are many people down there. Yeah, we don't go there. We are now back here in Nelson Bay, but look at this tree. You can see that there are so many red and yellow like fruits. Let's have a closer look. Yeah, all of these are covered with that nice looking when you are a little far away. And you know, it is raining at the moment, but it's just good. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is how it is today. I hope that today is going to be good weather. The past 2 days of my day off was really rainy. I was not able to enjoy the outdoors for a long time. Yeah, so we are going to work now. My duty today is 6 o'clock. When I left the house, it's already 5:42. I won't be late even if I leave the house 5:45, because like what I've said, the travel time from here, from my apartment to my workplace, is just 10 to 15 minutes. Yo, good afternoon to you guys. It's raining at the moment, but I prepared myself before leaving the workplace. I take off my backpack, leave it there in the locker room, and I have my pannier full of my used clothes. Look at this. Yeah, nice and beautiful flowers. Yeah, amazing. Suddenly, can you please tell me where you broken hearts go? Can we find their way home? And of course, we're not going to do pull-ups or chin-up today. I have back up in here. Still hot. I see the question in your eyes. I know what's weighing on your mind. You can be sure I know what's that. I didn't see. I'll be Oh, look at that. The hill is covered with covered with clouds. You don't see the top of it. It's not clouds, it's rain. Never to walk in anyone's shadow. Yo, I am now home. It is already 3:20. I forgot that me and Inigo is going to Sydney. I'm in a hurry. Yeah, because I forgot. I was relaxed biking in the rain. Okay, we are now here in Anna Bay. Inigo is just adding some petrol in the car. Looks like we are in the clouds.
It's really scary. Hindi kay Robby.
Tuloy ko. Pag nagluluto ako dito,
Hi, Rap. Kamusta? Kamusta dyan sa Bulacan? It's my first time to drink solid.
Marami pa sa meron ng punta doon. Ito, labas ka. Hindi pa nakikita ng mga lungkang ko nung 2 years ago na Christmas kami dito. Mayroon pa akong dalawa dito, pare. Nakita ng bisita ni Tim. Katikman.
This
Nakita rin mo na.
this like a perfume.
Perfume.
Looks like perfume. Kaya really favorite.
Yung label pa ako kung galing mo. Ito. Additional. Which car? Which model of car? CRV? Because just sitting on my list. Put the price down because I spend a lot of money there.
Uy, nangangarera pa po ako.
Masyado daw ako mabagal. Kasi nga bago eh. So,
Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now 5:39 and I'm going to work. This is how it is today. Yeah, it looks beautiful. You're going to see those hills, mountain in this very dark color. It looks good looking. Yeah, it's very calm at the moment. A little wind, and you hear the sound of the birds. Yeah, yesterday was so much rainy, and I don't know how is it going to be today. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. I want to show you the bike of Rafael. Yeah, this is the one. This is so light. Look at this, I can lift it by just one hand. How come this is very light? Yeah, there's a racing bike. Yeah, very light. Look at my bike. I can't lift it by one hand. Maybe because of my luggage, but yeah, this really is so light. If I'm not mistaken, less than 10 kilo. Less than 10. Yeah, we're not going to do pull-ups today because I really want to go home now. Yeah, we are now home. I'm actually now preparing my lunch. And it's going to be egg already there, 2 pieces. This is it. Yeah, it's outside, so it's still bright. But it is actually already, yeah, already 10 minutes before 8 o'clock. And I'm hungry. Okay, let's switch on the light. It's just an onion. And if you remember that I have this pasta, this macaroni, some salt, some fish sauce, and I still have a little frozen vegetable. So yeah, I will just let it boil, adjust the seasoning, adjust the taste, and I'm going to put some of this chicken pops. This is like a chicken nuggets. Look what happened to the chicken nugget. It becomes like a it looks good though. Oh, good. Actually, it's a little salty because I put too much salt and then fish sauce. We add some more water. We're going to add this milk and egg. Oh, no need to put this egg. Now we have soup. This is really nice.